Hi, this is Nick at Atlantic Laser Scanning. Today we're going to take a quick look at a completely registered project. We are going to look how to put in notations into the actual scan. So as you can see, we've got our project here. We can go into Explore and see that we've got a project that has been registered. We have an acceptable scan manager here for the project parameters. And in order to take a look at where we might want to put an annotation, we can just open up one of our scans, double clicking in the tree here to give us a two-dimensional look at the project. We'll let that completely load up here. As we can see, we've got a building facade. And if we've got something that we would like to notate for maybe our workflow working with another group or another employee, we can simply go into the top toolbar here to create an annotation, and we can double click, say, on the building facade here. Now we can give this annotation a name. Now there cannot be any spaces in the name, just as an FYI. Then we go in to this screen here, and we can do a lot of things in this screen. We can just say, for instance, we can describe something in that particular area. We can also go in and add files. So if you, say, have piping that you're identifying, you can put an annotation into one of the piping fixtures. You can come in, you can describe that pipe, the diameter, you can describe the type of material that has to be used, and if there's, say, a document that is to be associated with that piping, maybe if it's even invoicing or if it's meeting a particular code, you can import that documentation by simply going into the spot here. It's got three dots, and you can open up, put in whatever annotation you want, add to it like so. You can apply. Now, by double clicking on that same thing, we get to immediately see the document, or in this case, the JPEG of the screenshot that we had put in there earlier. So it gives us a lot of opportunity to maybe put in hyperlinks, documentation, or just identify at a glance when we're looking into our project in 2D or 3D, a particular spot or a particular piece of equipment or a piece of material that has to be identified later, or for, like I said, someone down in your workflow or another company or a subcontractor. I hope this small piece of information helps you out. Good luck on your projects. Let us know if there is anything in particular we might be able to help you with.